long enough for Sunil Narayan to take him to his highest T20 score.
Yeah, wonderful batting. Mentioned the favourable matchup. He's looking to take Chahal down. He's never scared of losing his wicket. It was the googly from Yuzvendra Chahal, but that advancement down the pitch meant that he got to the pitch of it, and another maximum for him. He'll be looking to get to that magical 100 mark in this over.
Now he goes straighter, and he's hit it so sweet tonight straight. He'll get more runs. A little clap from his batting partner as well.
Tell us something about his cricketing brain when he's batting, because clearly he knows what's going to happen. He's a spinner himself, so there's a sense of anticipation. It's almost like he's ready for that variation that's coming.
Yeah, absolutely right, because he bowls, and he bowls at this stage of the inning as well. But he will know what the bowler is thinking. Advanced down the previous delivery, so he knows that he's going to pull his length back, and so he stands in his crease, goes deep, but again he's targeting straight.
Once more runs straight, and he will get them. This is incredible hitting by Sunil Narayan, and what a genius stroke it has been to have him back opening the batting.
Yeah, they've made an adjustment in the field. That fielder at long on is very straight. Rian Parag, Sunil Narayan, it doesn't matter to him. Just to get that power from a standing position, it's the follow through, isn't it? Puts everything on it. Yeah, the fielder is directly behind the bowler now, moving just a little bit to the left of the bowler, and so too is Ravman Powell.
Oh, he wanted the 100, he wanted the 100, he's gonna get it! Just the third 100 by a KKR player in the Tata IPL, and it's well celebrated by his teammate. What a genius stroke to have him back opening the batting. Sunil Narayan has 100. It's 184 for 3.